Nothing beats a Jetsu holiday. Rewind, rewind. Nothing beats a good bowl of freshly made salad. So today we are going to be making some delicious cabbage and carrot salad, which is going to turn out very vibrant, flavorful, crunchy, and it's going to be a perfect side dish for you to try out. Basic ingredients like cabbage, carrots, capsicum, coriander, olive oil, vinegar, black pepper, and salt. That is what you need for this recipe. And we are going to start off by shredding our vegetables. So I'm going to keep my sauces aside, or the olive oil, vinegar, the black pepper, so that we can create some space for shredding our veggies. So you'll need half a cabbage, sharp knife. Also make sure to remove the outer leaves from your cabbage because you don't want tough salad to chew on. So using a sharp knife, you're going to shred your cabbage. You can also use a mandolin to chop your cabbage. And we are chopping the cabbage medium size. You can also thinly slice whatever you like for your salad. So I'm going to transfer to my bowl. Then next, I'm going to, the rest of the cabbage, you can cook some cabbage recipe. Don't throw it away. So I'm going to place it aside, clear my working surface a little bit. I'm placing a wet kitchen towel on my working surface so that the chopping board can be stable while chopping the ingredients. Now I'm going to pick my red and green capsicum, cut in half. Make sure to wash all your veggies before adding into the salad. Remove the pit together with the membrane. Then I'm going to thinly slice. For the recipe, I'm using a whole red capsicum and a whole green capsicum. Transfer to my bowl. For the recipe, I'm using 2 small onions. You can also add in 1 medium onion. You're going to thinly shred your onion and add into the bowl as well. Then next, pick your coriander. This is a bunch and it's nice and clean. So I'm going to chop off the ends. I find that the coriander stems are more flavorful than the leaves. So I always cook with the coriander stems and garnish with the leaves. Pick 1 large carrot, then you're going to shred into the bowl using a vegetable peeler, just like this. It's going to be very easy for you to use a vegetable peeler because it's going to thinly shred your carrots and you're going to have some even pieces of carrots in your salad. All these veggies have different nutrients which are so good for your body. If you have some cucumbers in your fridge, you can add into the salad as well. The recipe is super customizable. Now that I'm done shredding up my veggies, we are going to be making a very simple dressing for our salad. So you're going to start off by adding in a third cup of olive oil to a small jar. Add in 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. A 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. and salt for seasoning. Once done, you're going to cover and shake. And once done, as you can see, everything is fully combined, and the white vinegar is going to help emulsify the dressing. So now I'm ready to add into my salad, and it's looking so gorgeous. So I'm going to pick a salad spoon. Then I'm going to add in my dressing, toss until everything is fully combined. Once done mixing up your salad, you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more salt or black pepper to fully season your salad. Then next, you're going to refrigerate for at least 15 minutes before serving. And during this time, the salt is going to drain water from the veggies, and they're going to soften up, and still they'll be crunchy. So no worries. So this is a perfect way to serve up some delicious side dish, or even looking forward to enjoy some salad for your dinner, even looking forward to lose some weight. This is the recipe for you. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.